Welcome to AEC Grammar and Spoken Part 4. We're gonna discuss about the possessive, abstract, and concrete nouns. The possessive form of noun. Possessive form of noun and abstract noun, concrete nouns. We're gonna discuss these three types of nouns in today's lesson. Let's go. Possessive noun in English grammar refers to showing ownership or close relationship between things. That means a possessive noun use form of noun to show ownership. To make a possessive noun, put an apostrophe and s after a singular verb. That means to make a singular noun, generally add an apostrophe and s. For example, this is my bed, and that is Peter's bed. You see, Peter and an apostrophe s. We all like Dad's cooking. Dad and apostrophe s. It is my job to collect everybody's plate after the meal. The files are buzzing around the horse's tail. This is Susan and John's room. You see, the room belongs to Susan and John's. That means they share a common room here. Unless if they have a different room, we use Susan apostrophes and John's apostrophes. But here, Susan and John's are sharing the same room, the same single room. This is Thomas' hat, and that is Thomas' father's hat. You see, there is a hat that belongs to Tom's, and also there is another hat that belongs to Tom's father. Each they have their own hats. And the other is plural noun ending. A plural noun that do not end in s. Use an apostrophe and an s apostrophe to make the possessive form. That means plural nouns that are not ending in s, adding apostrophe and s to find their possessive form. For example, the children's room is always messy. That means the room belongs to children's. The word children is not ending with s. So, to show that the room belongs to the children, we add apostrophe and s on the noun children. Some people's houses are bigger than ours. Like the children, also here the house belongs to people's. So to show the houses belongs to the people, we use apostrophe s because the noun people is not ending with s. Look at here. Rat's tail are longer than mice's tail. You see here, rat is ending with s. So we use s apostrophe to show that their tail are longer than the maize tail. The word maize is not ending with s, so we use apostrophe s. Men's voice are deeper than women's voice. It's also similar with the other. Men's, the noun men's is not ending with letter s, and we have to use apostrophes to show their possessive form. And like the women's also is not ending with the letter s, to show the possessive form of women's here in this sentence with apostrophe s. Another thing is after plural noun that end in s, just an apostrophe s. That means a plural noun ending in s, to find the plural form only add apostrophe. Only add apostrophe. That means already it have s to show the possessive form, only add apostrophe. That means pupils disc are arranged in row. Here the word pupils are end with the letter s. So to show the possessive form, we only add apostrophe on the first noun, on the original noun. The boy's bedroom is bigger than the girl's bedroom. You see here, boys is end with the letter S, and to show that the bedroom is belongs to boys, we use apostrophe. And likewise, the girls, we use apostrophe. Mice tail are shorter than rat's tail. Here, the mace is in singular form. I mean, the plural form of rat is mace, but the mace is not ending with s. So to show that the tail is greater than the rats, the mace tail are greater than the rats, we use s apostrophe. But here, the word rat is end with the letter s. So to show the possessive form, we add apostrophe on the original noun. The strong wind destroy all the farmers' crop. You see? Here, farmers. The noun farmers here is end with the letter S. So to show the possessive form, that means the plural possessive form, we only add an apostrophe. The other thing is an abstract noun. Abstract nouns are nouns that describe idea or concept that cannot be directly perceived with senses. That means abstract nouns are represent idea, concept, feeling, quality, and states of being that are not perceived with our five senses. That are not perceived with our five senses. An abstract noun refers to an idea or concept that does not exist in real world or cannot be touched in physical. So, abstract, and we use abstract noun to express emotions like happiness, the state of being happy, and angry, state of being anger, love, fear, and sadness. These are emotions that we are using abstract noun to express emotional thing. Emotional thing. The other, an abstract noun used to express qualities, personal quality. You can say independency or courage, loyalty, compassion, maturity, allegiance, stupidity, aggregation, patience, honesty, intelligence. These are personal quality to express such qualities and ideas, philosophical concepts and ideas. For example, democracy is an idea. Marxism, industrialism, causality, relativity, ethics, and capitalism are philosophical concepts or ideas. And time measurement, hours, January, the other also. It's we use abstract noun to express this. State of being, solidarity, instability. So others also, for example, we use abstract noun to express the art, evidence, glory, honor, truth, honesty, symbolism, puritanism, reflections. We use this abstract noun to express all these emotions, ideas, and qualities. That means abstract noun deal with things that are exist in our mind and more in conceptual. The other types of noun are concrete nouns. Concrete noun refer to physical object this world. That means concrete noun refer to things that we can perceive with five senses. We can touch, we can smell, we can hear, we can sign. So these are concrete nouns, which describe physical things that can be perceived with our five senses. Concrete noun is a person, place, or thing can be perceived by five senses. They are tangible, have a physical existence in this world. Some example of concrete noun are object and substance. For example, on a smartphone, you can touch it in a smartphone. Pencil, glass, chair, skirt, race, water and oxygen. You can touch it. Living beings, duck, human, oak, bacteria, dog, postal worker, president, scholars, school teacher, criminal, mathematics, food, and vampire are concrete now. France, the post office. So these are concrete nouns that we can touch it or they have a physical existence. So if you need to more lessons, don't forget to subscribe my channel. For today, have a nice time.